Now we'll just see how it comes out. Maybe if we come down to it.
Yeah. Well, once we get it out here, we'll
See where it needs to be. Yeah.
Like I said, it's fairly easy to move around.
Yeah. We're just gonna roll it out there. I mean, the worst case scenario, I can't push it up. It will pull it up with a come along. Oh yeah.
I think you can turn around backwards and push it up. It's really easy.
I think you're right. Or either way, one the way or the other. It's gonna go. It's not that heavy, right? I'm not doing anything. You're doing it all. You're thinking backwards? Frontwards?
Maybe the front to get something. Is there anything to hook to back there?
Not really.
No.
So the easiest thing to hook to is actually that tow bar in the front.
Yeah, right there in the front. Want to put the ramp down? Have to spread them out. I don't know if that will do any good.
I don't know.
Let's try it though.
We have to shift it over a little bit.
This?
Yeah, probably.
Huh? We pull it straight. Trying to line up the wheels.
That's right there.
Oh yeah, yours ain't wide enough.
That's got to go out.
Huh? Yeah, that's as far as you can go. So I need
How
to.
far over are you?
I can come over some more.
Alright, then we'll just do that.
Yeah, there we go.
Yep. Yep.
Now we're gonna have to hook something up onto this.
Yes. Come along.
Yeah.
Absolutely. You want to
You
put?
don't want to try pushing it up?
Do you think that?
Well, if you want to lift this, me and him can push.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go push. Like I said,
Do you think we should put something so it rolls up straight though?
Maybe because it's gonna be like
Doop 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 doop. Or do you think that will help us?
it might help us if we have to stop.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Stop the hole.
put the ramp on there.
Let's see if it will go this way, or we're gonna put a ramp on it. One wheel, one side at a time. Hey, you take it easy. Hey, buddy. Hey, listen to me.
It's called I gotta have a grip because this is
What I'm
coming
saying,
out.
I know. What I'm saying is, you don't have to work that hard because all I have to do is go back and forth, and it will go up. Oops. And then this side, this side, this side. Hold on. I'm just doing one side at a time. Hold on a second. All right, now listen, I can help now. Now I can come down there and help. That's good. It's gonna go straight up now. Here we go. Hold on a second. Let me get a better grip.
Look at that.
I'm talking about. Look at that.
You need to just put that front up on top. But
Don't have to.
Close the doors.
Close the doors. I'm good.
All right. Thank you much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
That was easy.
We're going nowhere.
Uh-uh.